Okay, so there's a problem here where you need to create a scatter plot with two plots overlaid on the same set of axes. When you open the data in StatCrunch, it actually isn't formatted properly to do this, and so we need to do a quick reformat. And what we need to do is stack the MRI data all in one column for males and females. Also, we need to stack the IQ data all in one column. So I'm going to go to Data, Arrange, and Stack. So we'll stack the MRI data, females, and then I'll control males, and then we can have the labels, which will be the male versus female, in, I'll just say, group. And so that'll indicate which group they're in, and then store the values themselves in MRI. We'll make that an MRI column, and compute. And so what we get here is one column that codes the data based on whether it's males or females, and then an MRI column. And we'll need to do the same thing, data, arrange, stack, for the IQ data. And so we'll go to the IQ data, again, labels, we'll just say group again, it doesn't really matter, and then store the values, we'll say IQ for our values, and compute. So we get a column labeled group and a column labeled IQ. So what we want to do here for the graph is we want to go to scatterplot. We'll select our X variable, which is MRI, Y variable, which is IQ, and we want to group by either one of these groups. Will split male versus female, and then color points by group label. The other option here is to have a separate graph for each group. We don't want to do that. We want to just have colored points on the same set of axes. So compute, and here we get our scatter plot. So you can view your scatter plot, and again, if you want to switch, here we have MRI on the horizontal and IQ on the vertical axis. If you want to switch those, go to Options, Edit, and you can switch your X and Y variable. So the reason I did this demo is one student asked this question, and I figured it was probably something that others would be curious about. So I hope this helps you, and certainly let me know if you have any additional questions.